After a good night's rest, Andrew and the team left to fully explore the wonderful Sabah. Leaving KK, we were unsure of what would greet us, especially driving a four-wheel drive that was more a Toyota Corolla compared to those we'd seen at the Borneo safari. So we took a positive attitude and brought some emergency supplies.
We've got water, we've got garbage bags to keep water out of things to stay hydrated. We've got insect repellent to keep the mosquitoes and the leeches off. I think we're all good. And we've got some snacks in case we get stuck in the middle of nowhere. Okay.
Now we wouldn't say that made us late, but we arrived in Kudat after the sun had set. We found fuel, but we also needed a hotel.
And my beer. This Chinese place, this is why we can get beer here? It's Chinese? Or...
Instead, importantly, we found a restaurant that was still open, with some talkative local fishermen.
So guess what? We're going to have some seafood again tonight. And Kudat was the capital of Borneo on the stage, so we're very keen to get here and then tomorrow get up early and find out a little bit more about what's going on. That'll be fishing, that'll be surfing, that'll be sunsets, the tip of Borneo, it'll be turtles.
Here you can probably sense that it was dawning on Andrew that his food options were becoming very limited for the rest of the journey.
And it looks like we're going to have some crabs again. It was so delicious last night, the chili crabs I think it was, and absolutely delicious, horribly messy, but I think we've got to do it again. Can you tell me actually, where are the crabs from?
From the ship.
Just out here?
Yeah.
Oh, from the ship?
Yeah.
What sort of crab is it? You know? Yummy crabs.
Yummy crab. It's, the famous cookie salt egg, you know,
yeah.
Salt egg?
Yeah.
Butter?
Yeah.
Well, butter dry or wet, this one.
Okay, we better have butter then, yeah?
This one, if you see the V symbol, this one the male. But if you see the V is small, large, this one, this is a female.
Which one is better to eat?
This, female. You know it?
Yeah, I think I go female.
It's more delicious.
This is a big fishing place, right?
Yes.
But how long do they go out fishing for normally? Like just go out for the
2
day?
days or 1 day?
2 days, 1
Yeah.
day. Yeah. But I might want to go fishing. No.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you guys just catchers, yeah?
Yes.
Just catch it now.
Oh, no.
So you catch every day? It's easy to catch here?
Yes, easy to catch.
Here. What do we have to drink?
Drink, we have a menu drink.
Okay.
You want to see the menu?
You have beer?
No,
Whiskey?
no whiskey also. That's all the haram. We had here is halal.
Halal, yeah, okay.
No beer,
yeah,
no.
yeah. So
Stay halal.
I have to wait until I go back to Australia.
Okay.
So here we have our end result. So we've got the crab, we've got the calamari, we've got the prawns, we've got the fish. The interesting thing is I was just with the fishing boat over there and talking about going out fishing. This is a very famous and it's a big part of the economy here, and then for Sabah is going out fishing one day. If they're very unlucky, it might be 7 days. So it's a bit difficult to go out with them. We'd like to. I think it'd be very exciting to see where they go, catching the fish and bringing them back. Good. That's good. I've tried them already. They're really good. Yeah. But my favourite is the crab. The crab is good. This is the butter prawn. Yeah.
With butter.
Yeah. I know that I have butter prawn in other places. It's a little bit more of a Sabah specialty. Yeah. Yeah, really good. Really good. Yeah.
After eating, we found a hotel and fell into our beds. We needed to get up early for the arrival of the fishermen.